Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to remove access of someone from Facebook Business Manager, right? So as you can see, I am on my Facebook account. First of all, you need to switch to your Facebook page. For that, we will click on the top right icon and we will simply click on our Facebook business page name, right? Now we have switched to our Facebook business page. Again, we will click on the Facebook page name to visit the Facebook profile page, right? Here you will find an option of Meta Business Suite. You need to click on it. Okay, now we are into the Meta Business Suite of our page, right? Now you need to click on the settings tab in the left side. Okay, so it is our Meta Business Portfolio settings page. Now you need to remove the person. So here there is a person whom I need to remove. I will simply click on the triple dot and will click on the remove from business portfolio to remove this person from my business portfolio. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, you can simply check out the website link given in video description. You can visit the website, you can explore our course and you can purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.